Before moving into the parasite phase of cleansing, there's another important layer we need to address first: mold and candida. Many people don't realize that fungal overgrowth can play a significant role in how the body holds on to toxins and pathogens. Candida and other fungal organisms can form protective layers in the body, and in many cases they can coat tissues and even the cells themselves. When this happens, it can create an environment where other burdens, including parasites, are able to hide and thrive. This is why we do not recommend jumping right into a parasite cleanse after heavy metals, especially if you know that you've lived in a place with mold or you've dealt with mold, or that you know that you have a severe candida overgrowth going on in your body. If mold and candida are still present in large amounts, parasites can be shielded by these fungal layers, making them harder for the body to properly eliminate. So before we move into the parasite phase, we can take time to clear that environment. If you have mold or candida buildup in your body, do not skip this step. At Restored Identity, we offer 2 kits that are designed to help address this stage of cleansing. The first is the No Fungus Among Us kit, which focuses on supporting the body as it works to break down fungal overgrowth and mold-related burdens. The second kit is called the O Candida kit, which is specifically designed to support the body in bringing candida levels back into balance. As you work through this phase, some people may notice changes in digestion, fatigue, skin changes, or temporary detox symptoms as the body begins releasing fungal byproducts. Just like the other phases, this process should be done slowly and consistently, following the scheduled outline in your booklet and spacing your supplements throughout the day. The goal here is to clear the terrain of the body. When mold and candida are addressed, the body is much better prepared to move into the final stage of cleansing, which is parasites.